A big problem you encounter in Civil 3D section view is you stack all your section views inside a one sheet section view sheet. Whatever you do, they will not be distributed along the horizontal or vertical direction to view them clearly. So the problem for this scenario is this sheet width and the cross section width. You can see the total width of the cross section is greater than this sheet width, so the sheet cannot contain the section views. That's why this happens. As you see here, these section views, you have some vacant area either side of the section views, so that I can shrink the section view. So to do that, I have to adjust this in the sample lines. So I select a sample line, then I go to sample line group properties. To select all these sample lines, I select the first one, and while pressing the shift key on your keyboard, I select the last one. Then to edit this sample line width, I select this just click this left offset column, 1 point I have to click, so it will highlight. To type a value, I type 35, and go to the right side, I will type 30. These are predefined value from me. So if you are doing in your own, you have to decide the value that we are going to type. So then I click OK. Now you can see that width will be reduced. Then what you have to do is you select this and go to update layout and select all these section views and right click or press enter. You will see all the section views are now properly arranged to view them clearly for any inspections.